Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to compare side by side the Insta360 One R with the GoPro Hero 8. Since the Insta360 One R camera has been around for quite a while, and because this is going to be the first out of a series of videos where I'm going to be testing this capable camera and comparing it with other action cameras, before making the other videos, I would like to hear from you what are the most important aspects that you would like me to test. So if you have any suggestions or questions that you would like me to answer while making the videos, please let me know in the comments section down below. Now, using this new 3D printed mount that was kindly designed and printed by a friend of mine, I'm going to head outdoors and compare these cameras side by side, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.